How to access and share your public lists in Google Maps. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access all the lists that you have created and share the public lists. So let us begin. So the first thing you need to do in your Google Maps homepage, you need to click onto this U tab at the bottom. Once you'll click onto this U tab, it will show you this particular interface. Now from here, it will show you all of your lists under the Your List section. Now from here, simply choose that particular list that you want to share. So for example, let's say I have this list that is the best places to visit and I want to share this. So to share this particular list, you need to click onto these three vertical lines present over this list name. Once you click here, you can see this option of share list. So simply click onto the share list option, and from here you have these following options. Either you can send it directly to any of your emails to whom you have sent mails in the past, and then the next options are that you can send it via message or Google Chrome, or you may also choose to copy its link by clicking onto the copy to clipboard button. Once you'll do this, you can see that the link to this particular list has been successfully copied to your clipboard, and then you can go to WhatsApp or any other messaging service and share them with your friends or family to whom you want to share this list with. And other options include, if you click on more, there are some other options like sharing it via Gmail or adding it to LinkedIn or Facebook, etc. So that's how easily you can share any list to others in Google Maps. So if this video was helpful to you, do consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments if that worked for you, or if you have any questions or suggestions to give, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.